Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to find out where a sound or jingle or whatever is coming from if you don't know. Here we are talking about Windows, especially Windows 10 in this case, but other Windows versions are pretty much similar. So you have been able to hear that now. Yeah, I had this a couple of days ago, this really strange thing, and then I tried to find out first thing what I did. I hope you can see that. That's the time. So if you here click on the right button to this time thing, it should come, and then you see when it is. So it occurs at always at 10 seconds past the minute and 40, so 40 seconds past minute, so uh, 30 seconds. So I really had no clue. I didn't change something, I didn't install any software. I had really no idea where it's coming from. So first thing what you can do is go here to the speaker. You here on the right button you have this headset earphone thing, or just the speaker thing. You right click on that and open volume mixer. So here we have these three things which are currently running: the headset which I'm using with the microphone, system sound, Bandicam of course to record everything, and the Google Chrome. And as soon as we have hear something, you can see where it's coming from. So of course Bandicam is just listening to that, so for some reason it does show that. Without the Bandicam it's not here, so it's only coming from here and then in the output here. So obviously we it's coming from here. So system sound, which produces usually a lot of these sounds, is nothing. So there is nothing you can clearly hear. See, there is no green, nothing here. So you can close that. So you already can eliminate any system sound. So there's no warning, no need to go to the event manager or something like that. So what I do now, um, I will drop that a little bit so you are not too much annoyed by this sound anymore. Yeah, so what can we do at the moment? So we have found out it's coming from Google Chrome. So we open Google Chrome. Here we open it in the Windows version, so you can see that better while recording. So we have a lot of tabs, and yeah, all these tabs can produce some sound. But when it comes, when we have sound, we would see an how it's called? Yeah, like speaker. We would see a speaker sign, of course. Okay, you would definitely see a speaker sign from any of these tabs, but we don't see anything, so we can clearly say it's nothing from there. So what options do we have? Somebody told me that also background tabs or background like tasks from Google Chrome can cause sound. So how we open that? Of course, we can go to settings on the right side, but also we can press Shift and Escape. Oh, now it's probably already open, or why does it not open the task manager? I'm not sure. So let's try again. Shift Escape. Yeah, here it comes. Okay. So here we can see that. Um, yeah. Okay. So here you can see all the tasks which are running at the moment, and some background. I have not been able to determine which are background tasks. So, but Yeah, I mean, you can see activity, you can see CPU, network usage, a lot of other things, which might be interesting, and sometimes it could help you to find out what tasks are doing. But I can't tell you which ones are background, which ones are foreground, but I have not been able to find something suspicious. So, okay, let's close this again. And last options which I have, which I can provide you, is the yeah, the add-ons or the Google Chrome extensions, which we can see here. I have a lot of them. So we can move the windows a little bit around, makes it easier to see. So here we are on the right side. We have a lot of these extensions or plugins, and here we can customize and control Google Chrome, of course. And what we can do is we can click on any of these plugins with the right mouse button, like this or this or this, doesn't matter. We always have the option to manage extensions. Okay, so when we do that, we get to this page, and so we can see here all the extensions which we have installed into Google Chrome, and we can enable and disable. So most of them are enabled, and yeah, we can go. Let's say the easiest thing is start top to bottom, and we can, like here, disable and wait 30 seconds. When we still have the sound, we can enable it again. So then we go to the next thing. We disable, listen for a few seconds. Still we are sure that it's not coming from here. When it's still doing this silly thing, we can enable it again. Okay, so, and we can go on, and finally we will be able to determine which one was causing this sound. I think there's no other thing. There is nothing, no icon, no speaker sign, no nothing. That's a little bit sad. So here we have also more of the extensions. So the ones which are not displayed, we can see here. And so you can see there is now we can see all of the plugins or of the extensions, and no one was showing a speaker sign. So finally I found out it was an extension which I installed a couple of months ago for Bitcoin price tracking. So when I click right click on that, we have options, and now you can see I set the alarm on $8,000. So when I remove this and now save this in the options, it won't produce this jingle, this gong or whatever anymore. It's a little bit annoying when we have really no speaker sign, no nothing. It's really difficult to find out. So yeah, probably more people will be in the same situation, and hopefully this video will be able to help you to find out what is causing this gong or this jingle, because if you have this for hours or even days, it makes you crazy, and disable the whole sound from Windows, it's usually not an option, because you still want that. Sometimes you're looking to YouTube videos and so, and then you have it back anyway, so you really have to find the source of this silly sound. So yeah, if maybe there are other options, maybe there are even better options, that would be great if you have them. You can write them to the comment section, and I'm always too happy to talk about. And yeah, when I hope this video was able to help you a little bit with that. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.